Hello, this is Ben with DC Digital. Today I am demonstrating a product called the DC-405 T-DN NEG BCD. So basically 4-inch high digits, 5 of them, the first one showing a negative sign, down timer that also counts in the negative region. So after it's elapsed past 0, it will continue to count up, showing the time past 0. And BCD is short for rotary switches here that are used to set the start value of the timer. This product is used in a production facility to pace a manual process and indicate when that manual process has exceeded the time goal. So essentially a process technician will set the start value here. These rotary switches are recessed, so they do require a screwdriver, and that's to prevent tampering. He can set the process in hours, and minutes. So when the timer is reset to that value, it'll indicate what the rotary switches are set to. Then he can, using push buttons on top, the operator can start, stop, reset, or reset and start the operation. These controls are also redundant to this input here. So the customer is to supply 24 volts DC to the terminal block here, and then 3 external controls. These can be either a PLC control, 24 volts, or contact closure, say from a push button or NPN or PNP proximity sensor, or a photo eye, or a limit switch. So anything that is external can also control those same inputs and have the exact same functionality. Okay. The case is made out of extruded aluminum. There are mounting tabs on the back for mounting the device to a wall, and terminals then for the power input, as well as start, stop, and reset and start. The timer does do shift digit technology, so once it's elapsed past the final hour into minutes and seconds, it'll shift over to show minutes and seconds. Going back to hours and minutes, it does blink the colon during the hours resolution, so you can tell it's running in the background and that it's showing hours and minutes. When you're setting it, it'll set to hours in this position and minutes in this position when you hit reset. When you start it, if it's in the last minute, it'll shift again once more, and it'll show seconds, tenths, and hundredths here, and that's indicated by a single decimal place here. And then once it gets past 0, and we'll watch that here for a second, once it gets past 0, it will go negative, and it'll start to elapse up. And again, in that same shift digit technology, it'll display seconds, tenths, and hundredths, and then minutes and seconds, and then hours and minutes past 0, that it's exceeded the goal. All of our products are manufactured and assembled here in Carlisle, Ohio. If you like this product and want to know more or have any questions, you can contact us using the link in the description. This is Ben with DC Digital, demonstrating the DC-405 T-DN NEG BCD. Thank you for watching.